Welcome to a series of videos that I'm going to be making about getting started with STM32's CubeIDE, which is a variant of the Eclipse editor. And I'm performing these videos to help those that are taking my embedded systems class at Indiana University's Luddy School in the Intelligent Systems Engineering department. We are using the STM32 as the laboratory device in this particular class. So I'll be talking through how to set this up, what your board is supposed to look like. We use a Nucleo board in this particular class as opposed to like a discovery board, which are slightly different. But the Nucleo board, our Nucleo board looks like this. We use the L432 KC board, but you can use any of the Nucleo boards. That the CubeIDE can help you set up for any of the boards that ST makes. Some are better supported than others. This one actually is nice because we use the L432 KC in some other projects here and effectively in the class. What we actually do with the L432 is we build a light sensor that we put out in the Hoosier National Forest. And so this is we're building effectively a software prototype of that device in the class. So we'll be firing up in the next video. We'll go ahead and we will fire up a CubeIDE and go ahead and get started so we can create that template project that drops in all of the nice hardware driver software that's there. And I know that that might be in the early days of the CubeMX sort of universe with ST. There was some controversy as to the quality of that software, but it seems from my perspective, it has been relatively stable. I've also used others other software where they have replaced all of that work with their own custom driver. Something like ChibiOS is something that I have used here as well. They're relatively good. Maybe a little overly verbose in the ST driver HAL, but it's pretty good. It's a pretty good starting point, especially if you're just starting to learn. All right, so in the next video, we'll go ahead and start working with Cube. So on your machine, why don't you go ahead and install it, and when you come back for the video, we will talk about how to interact with it.